When they started telling us not to put food in our hair, they skipped over the fact that some of us started taking good care of our hair by using food as hair treatment. For someone like me, when I was a broke university student, it was food that saved my hair, and it was what I could afford to use to take care of my hair at the time. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Eva here, and today I'm going back to one of the OG hair masks that I used to use for my hair care. This is the aloe vera and avocado and egg and olive oil mask, and this mask actually became popular a while back when Cardi B showed us how she used masks with similar ingredients to take care of her hair or deep condition her hair. So this mask is very simple. All you're going to do is prepare your ingredients, blend them and transfer them into a bowl, and then apply that mixture to your hair. So here you can see me dressing my aloe vera. For the aloe vera, I'm not going to blend the entire thing. I'm only going to use the inside. So after separating that, I'm going to transfer it to my blender along with the avocado and the egg. Even though this mask is very simple and the ingredients are very easy to find, it's a very moisturizing mask that softens your hair instantly and also nourishes your hair and encourages growth. Now, the primary benefit of this hair mask is that it increases moisture in your hair. It helps your hair to pull in moisture and to retain that moisture. Another good benefit is that it helps to define your curl pattern. Another benefit is that it helps to reduce frizz. If you're struggling with frizzy hair and you're trying to reduce that frizz, this is a good hair mask to try because it separates your hair strands and reduces cluster and friction. Now, the aloe vera is a good humectant, which means that it acts as something that pulls in the moisture to your hair, and it also acts as water. It's going to keep the moisture in your hair, and the olive oil helps to seal in that moisture to the hair and keep it moisturized. The avocado and the egg is extra protein, which helps to keep the hair nourished, strengthen the hair strands, and keep the hair soft as well. But note that the hair being soft does not mean it breaks easily. The hair is going to be soft, but your individual hair strands are going to be strong and firm, making them less prone to breakage. So all in all, this mask is excellent for keeping your hair well conditioned. When you use it as a pre-poo or as a deep conditioner, you don't have to worry about your hair breaking too much or you losing too much hair. You also don't have to worry about your scalp being sensitive because this mask has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help keep your scalp healthy and keep scalp conditions and hair conditions away. For application, this is the kind of mask that is safe to apply every wash day. So if you wash your hair every week and you need a deep conditioner or a pre-poo for every wash day, you can safely use this mask. It is so conditioning. And if you wash your hair every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, you can use this mask as well. So I'm just going to add in my olive oil. Olive oil is always my preferred carrier oil, but you can use whatever carrier oil that your hair likes and work with that. For preservation, I don't refrigerate this. I only make enough to last me per wash day. So that's also what I advise, so that you are sure your mask is fresh and it does not turn to a watery consistency. Once I was done blending and sieving my mixture, this is what we have. So I added in one more carrier oil, which is amla oil, for extra conditioning and to help boost hair growth. Amla oil is an Indian oil and it's one of my go-tos when I'm trying to increase or improve my hair growth. So I added a few spoonfuls of that in there, gave it a good mix, and it was ready to use. Not take long. You can apply this mask in two ways. You can apply it as a pre-poo, meaning apply before you shampoo, or you can apply it as a deep conditioner, meaning you apply it after you shampoo condition. Just using mine as a pre-poo today. Spray water all over my entire head because I'm trying to avoid grabbing the spray bottle after I start applying mask.
Ooh. So I'm applying the mask to my roots first. Oh my god, I like this method. This is the first time I'm doing roots first before I do the rest of my head. Usually I apply in sections, but today, I like this method. This method will ensure that it gets to where it gets to, that's the product here, the deep conditioner, triple. So this method will ensure that it gets to where it needs to get to before I start applying to the rest of my hair. And that's it, guys. I'm going to put a plastic cap. I think I have a shower cap, so I'm going to put a shower cap over my head. But that's basically it. I'm going to let this sit for hopefully 30 minutes. If not 30 minutes, 45 minutes, but it won't pass 45 minutes. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell beside so you'll be notified whenever I post new content. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. Everyone, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to help with the engagement here on YouTube. And if you have comments, if you have questions, leave them down below and interact with yourselves. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video.